Zero pollution for me realistically means it's as little as possible. And I think it's three points. First, the environment. The chemicals should not be in the environment because they are really spread all over the world. Secondly, it's the environment at home, because the chemicals are nearly in all the things we have at home, and we do not know, we have no chance to avoid it because we do not know. That means zero pollution. And the third point is, of course, the recycling and the sustainability, because in my opinion, circular economy is not possible when you have the chemicals inside without declaration, without all the things. That means zero pollution for me. Again, there are several opportunities when I think of this. First is the question of human health, of course. The second is the persistence, the distribution in the water, worldwide distribution in the water, the possibility of substitution, if it's possible to substitute the chemical, there's no reason to use it any longer. And really important for me is the thing you have to look at the whole life cycle of the chemicals. It's also a really important question in the prioritizing the chemicals. I expect a lot of things from ZeroPM because it's a personal question for me, because I live in Mittelbaden, in a great PFAS contaminated area in southwest Germany. That means I have the consequences directly, I see the consequences directly, and ZeroPM is working together, other way around. The TZW, Technologiezentrum Water in Karlsruhe, is part of ZeroPM, and they are working with the Stadtwerke Rastatt, the company who has to clean the drinking water. And that means for me, in reality, I have the research and the practice directly together. You can see, does it work? How much does it cost? How long is the life cycle, for example, of the carbon share? That's one point. And the second, it's the way of communication of ZeroPM. For me, as a science journalist, it's really important. They have a very charming way of communication. They have the podcast, they have videos, long or short, the publication. And I think this is something we do not have in Germany. It's all in English, and the German people don't understand. And this is really important, and I would like to try to transfer this to the German communication. And of course, the networking, as they said today in the workshop, the networking is really, really important, because you are sitting in a kind of bubble, and when normally you have no contact to the industry and all this, and when you get to know the people, you understand better the way of thinking. Even if you do not agree, you understand better. And I think the communication and the networking is also a very important point for me.
ZeroPM, Zero Pollution of Persistent and Mobile Substances. This project has received funding from the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme under Grant Agreement number 101036756.